done. Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm cooking in the Ooni Karu 16. It's a beautiful day. It's warmed up. It was -2 degrees centigrade and now it's about 3. I have cooked before. I made a video on how to light the Ooni Karu 16 and made a honey and mozzarella pizza. And now I'm going to make a chorizo pizza. I'm going to just make sure that my oven is topped up now because it's going a bit low on the heat. I need to add more logs. Yes, that's the sort of flame I want. If you're wondering how hot the table goes when a pizza oven is on full heat, 58 degrees centigrade, actually the table's not hot at all. The heat does not come down the legs. It's a bit warm, it's slightly warm, but I'm touching it so it can't be that bad. Let's go check it on the front. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go make my pizza. So I've just made my pizza and I am gonna add more kindling because my heat is there but my flame's gone. It's a super fast way to get your flame back is to put some kindling in. And those ones at the back are going to take quickly now as well, so that'll kind of have a nice distribution going across the back. Yeah, perfect. Okay, the stone is the right heat as well. Okay. Give it a wiggle just to make sure it comes off the peel. Check I've got flames. Everything's good to go. See it cooking at the back there. Quick move of my peel. Ooh. Done. This is a 360 gram dough ball. It's had a 24-hour room proof, then a 4-day cold fridge proof, then back to a room proof to get it back to room temperature in a warm cupboard. I found it very easy to stretch. It's very tasty. It has got that nice matured dough taste to it that's not there as much with a 24-hour room proof, but it does take a bit longer to get organized, I think personally, to get a 4-day cold fridge proof. So I normally end up doing 24-hour room proofs. Boom. However, if you do have time to do one, it is nice to see the change in your dough, and you may end up preferring a 4-day cold proof dough. Here's the link for my pizza dough recipe, and here's the link for my how to light the Ooni Karu 16 pizza oven. I hope you found this video useful. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.